SMTV for life.
SM for life, SM for life, SM for life. For life is for life. Big up to you watching the show. We say big up to Shatawale, big up to everyone, the divas, the soldiers, big up to you Ghana. We say for life. And then me babe react after Magrahab video bi awaye. Na sometimes you know, nkrofobia or Ghana ha. Omo no, omo yo mo say omo pese omo ye neutral. Nanso no kure wo mu ni say ente sa dia for a particular agenda. Bako eye Magrahab. Na waye video bi afa eye Shatawale distract to start kodie. Or reacting to video no. Senia usually oye no no. Oye no senia all tries to be neutral. But in reality no, Magrahab eye obia sack camp atono. Etuaneka amani sika pofu. Say onfan be react na onfan gu Shatawale ni mu ase. Inti osha ase no oye senia otaye no no. Say na osha ase.
Abusi another beef in the making. Shatawale versus the Sarkodie. But Sarkodie pese beef no be yede. Ne wo beef headquarters ya. Beef commissioner. Me but the head of him. Jesus.
Say na Magrahab esha ase. Osha ase te say nia opese o play neutral. Na all the konenimu no ana oye say rappers atata Shatawale ama waye confused. We yade a e wo say edikan na e kire wo say Magrahab wa take stand. Inti video no oye no otai obi echi yahwe nipa otai nechi
ya mamu ni mze Shatawale onya beef wache rappers na tata na brabo ama sese wadani confuse ogoro
inti sene osi pa che no e kire say Shatawale no odanya ne ade oni tirim eye beef oni brebi abo sabi oye kwasampeni oni hweye inti ono ne de ne say age say ohwe obi no ne na beefu sana Magrahab epese o kire yen inti we chinchia onye obia na odi abesue sa akodie so sana Magrahab epese o kire yen na sa beef no so no onya dia na ese by force ese odi ko kikire sa akodie ebusuafo mo nwa maso na mo hwe konkonsa ne me bia Magrahab eba beye
omo ko ne omo beye beef ni nyina oni omo ka bom ti ese wa yehwa enam senti oni nam na sese di ope beef na odi aduru sa akodie so Mamu ni beef we won sensem ni say netie. Sarkodie ni posiji ni team ni omo kika hu bi no kwa America for some project bi aye nim so far. Omo fra America some of them posiji buy no. E na ko bichei interview no. E na posiji ka asem.
Ebusuafo o hwe video ya edi so no. Medical kire say Magrahab obi a sack fans atono. Magrahab obi a omama ni sika say ombebu emfa entia Shatawale. Ombeye video na trendy na onfan responding to Shatawale na nkrofa obubo mudin no waboko biche na wabo posiji yanhwe posiji eye obi a oye producer music producer na ono no o producer sa akodie tracks emano na posiji kroya so na o record Shatawale track ayo them the ways them a time ayo na sa beat na posiji edema Shatawale die no beat na enye posiji die eye showers die na odi beat ni ma Shatawale na odi je ne credit ono no wasem na Shatawale omo ye ni interview Happy FM a o ka say showers credit BSN ko de ma no ne shine BSN ko shine no posiji eje inti wo sack camp no posiji obi a oye I read a odi ni nua anana danfo ne colleague beat ebeje enyonyam ana face ko biche eye sack ne blogger ni senior blogger Mekaiwa ono na ewuku ewo taadi no Tamana Kofi Kenyatta eye made in taadi no Kobiche eye blogger ema sack na afes na engineer posiji inti sa tu nipa mienu we a omo se omo ye interview no automatically interview no was engineered na Magrahab react inti no all can it say these people are just separate entities na moment sa they are from the same camp it is our interview no na say ono so ka bibia na se etia yehwe na se etia yen na se Shatawale hwe na se etia na ene na Shatawale wo kwan bia so se o react to whatever they say yanhwe kwan a omo fa so a posiji ene kobiche ekabo mu engineer interview na omo ye no towards their agenda
but ye kodu wona ye share ejuma na ase na ehu se no ejuma na nya de ketwa
so ye ejuma ketwa why ye ejuma wo se we aye ejuma kese ase ejuma we 15 years nyina
minti hu ejuma no
so the look at so beat ni mo edu ana say ana mix na akoto na so no na we say o
nipa ko a one na ye nyum no sing Jay-Z.
Hey,
yes.
No.
After that video na hit internet na so na manfo bisa na why artist ben partner Sarkodie na ko project a oye bigger than Jay-Z. Jay-Z pa because you the biggest Jay-Z ka hu bi. And asem ya be twema metwi on social media especially Twitter. What they say? And na Ken Shatta on say asem emi nyama ne kodada. And ono so twere tweet ni bi ntwere no. And ono so toto ahoma ne so. Na ne ntwere no ono so twere no. Ono need ni or say let me read. When I featured on Beyonce's song, I didn't ask my boys to go around saying I have featured somebody bigger than Rihanna. I kept it coded. Sarkodie, you and your fans fool too much. Munja Jimino and learn to celebrate one's success. Sasha Tawale beef comment not trend. Odwe I want to see. You get in. A couple of things. 3 things actually. Sarkodie didn't say anything about Shatawale and any project or Kokoye. Posiji na kan ho asem. Second, Shatawale ni Beyonce nyum already bab wantin. Even Sarkodie, if I'm not mistaken, Sarkodie pro promote your Twitter, your Instagram nyum no. But you ya Shatawale abaso. So why ya there because our collaboration in quite huge.
Mamu baby a Sakam efi eba. Ujina ho say nipa Sak efi channel and na one na ye collabo no or ye bigger than Jay-Z. I don't know one can say or ye bigger than any other artist rather than Jay-Z because there are other artists almost so America. And then one fan relative obia say Jay-Z simply because there is future possibility say Jay-Z and Shatawale ewo collabo ye. And na Jay-Z na so no ne yire Beyonce and Shatawale are the biggest collaboration US and Ghana. The biggest collaboration. It is at the end of the day obia one Shatawale ewo asem one no problem. Na motna mo camp na mo relate mo ma dia makoye towards such a person na mo de ne babata ho a na mo pese mo kire sen. Nti a eba ne sa no tama Shatawale ni Beyonce already track no. Ubehwe slide na eda so na ubehu kwa kese dondo, ubehu Stone Boy, ubehu nipa bebre a. Congratulate Shatawale. Nyina there is one common thing towards congratulation message no dem Shatawale no. They started by congratulating Shatawale before any other thing. But Sarkodie hwehwe ni munti no. The message no was geared towards Beyonce. Owie no de Shatawale bebata ho. Nka wunua ya ade na oni no problem kra okọ nenimu no. Nka congratulate no. But congratulate outside person na who nimu no. Welcome home my queen. Uwe na ade Shatawale bebata ho. Na Shatawale say ni awoye no eye fake. We na Ghana fo bi nti ase no. Shatawale ntwen ma wo nkoye ade bi nwie asa na wawa be kana adwen a kire wo. Satan no ni kwa akese mu beef. Oni nipa bebre wo beef. They still went ahead to congratulate Shatawale and they mentioned his name from the beginning before any other thing. But you went ahead straight to Beyonce before you ended up by trying to associate it to Shatawale. Shatawale on TSF for such a fake message. Anything na Shatawale amfan ye juma no. It is a sack camp. A person who relate collabo obi a. They have every right to relate it to anybody rather than Shatawale, Beyonce, Nikua, Jay-Z or any year. Which was a Magrahab interview no year was fake. And it was purposely for an agenda. Let's go and watch the next video. Yeba cheche mama mu say they purposely came to attack the SM fans. And Shatawale so in the days edit to us.
SMTV Live.
What you say? And Shatawale is making it sound like only Beyonce in a quarter studio kwaya nyom no. Krache. Beyonce kura hu ne da. Just say near what who are in the pictures and in the video asa. What now with them record verse and now 2 man engineers and on in their car home and about by collaboration. Man, yes, who's Shanada? Say, even in that Beyonce Yakura or Winnipa crowd. As a matter of fact,
Ebusian for Utie in Sama Magrahab is directly to damn the spirit of Shatawale and to fight for Sarkodie, as I said. Ujina ho kase Shatawale and Beyonce and Koshe boot and some microphone together and recording tino. Track now omo already no is not recognized. Sana Magrahab pese et ochreyen. Which say Magrahab ni Ebusian in the first place no. They are naive. They don't know anything about the music business. Oma bon omutie wu. Say obi etna ha no recordo track. Na obi tna ehefa planet different planets no recordo. Na omu kekabom na omu kesi ni na be one track. In the field of music, no, your collaboration. When you are there, Emma Sarkodie fans headache. This is where they have their problem. And then Sarkodie and Crawford say Beyonce record on a track, the part of the track US. And Shatawale tina Ghana or record which is a music business and I say whether it was recorded separately and brought together to become one track or they stayed in one booth to record is still a music, it's still a collabo, and it's still big. And this is what they will continue bleeding because anything on Magrahab Sika react towards the beef because Bearman, he should come out and react because advice, they were waiting for Shatta Wale to come out. Everybody was waiting for Shatta Wale to come out. It is a Bearman. And my name train Magrahab and 2 foot long say the tracks were sorted separately. It's that kind of collabo is not recognized. It means a Magrahab no wabon. And I mention after already track ne bar out no. Shatta Wale Magrahab utiemia make us Shatta Wale to Kwanko US. And one of the things he went to do was that he visited Jay-Z and Beyonce in Siunima Miss Kulu because until say the music video will come out, you will never believe. Musuba and born in my dream fee wentina. And you may be saying Shatta Wale ya or Mamu because Muhua, you will fight it and make sure say we better destroy that relationship which you have been yawning saying Kebeba the side of Sarkodie and it never came. It is and what you now Kikasa say Onimuna and then a your trophy. China music video then drop in a drop here. And a Shatta Wale so the pictures are Okoshia Jay-Z and in the bush for a Beyonce Munio Omukika pictures any Omukika music video ni shoot to ye inti meant na ho kekania unim na ma ho ya enka ona ho kekan kwase asem
as a Shatta Wale no akura nye sure say Beyonce they use in a verse no for sa already track na be be collabo no ti ase. That is why Shatta Wale went to Mambrage about you.
When the devil is playing an advocacy na uyo bia oye wiser when you bia uhu bebia otamfo bonsam no edi ura me boss bi na kan asem say sa adwini so a body ne bre wa ma adwini na anya djuma wo de honam be ye djuma abre mo na mo tena se ka say already track no Shatta Wale voice was here 5 seconds and then uti aka say Shatta Wale nim say ye de ne voice be pa so kra nko be brage asensa sumo hu se na wi asisitie Ghana fo ebusam say nti kekoye sa akode na oye sa track na Magrahab ebe bie na no e de akeka sansem ya na me refer wa wo hwe ni video a oye after say sa akode e de say Shatta Wale e wa advice ni mu kono ko hwe the way o ti react to the video ne ni jeye enti enne the Shatta a react na eye wo ya en betena on ka so ba be react on a video. This is where the neutrality is lacking. This is where you see say he is very biased because he has been paid to promote an agenda, a false and a hatred agenda, an irate agenda, a selfish agenda, a loser agenda for life.
Artists Ben are bigger than Jay-Z. What you say? But me be some artists Ben are bigger than Jay-Z now. I can tell you say even Justin Bieber is bigger than Jay-Z now. Because Jay-Z says he's a businessman. On your more into music. So Jay-Z in his prime is different because he has a bigger. We are talking about not just the name, but numbers are associated with the current projects away.
Magrahab Abong utie in some of Kanyana say Jay-Z is not the biggest artist. Now other artists are there. Now it's not just about the numbers. It's about current reigning. Magrahab baby obia me chira say opese won so be a bigger. Ye hwe ne record, ye hwe na awards, ye hwe na achievement. Na afa ya hwe say ye wo obi a wetimi a reach that level a. Enti na at the moment no Michael Jackson ewu, but ye ntimi nya obi a obetimi a break sa ne record no. So he still remains the number 1 until say ye benya obi a the number of awards, the number of records a obeseti obetimi a break it through no. No what try no until see benya such a person no. Michael Jackson continues to become the greatest musician in the world, who is a black man, the greatest musician. In 20 can't let me say, sir, what is now within say they are even better than Jay-Z. No, can't let me say those artists are better than Michael Jackson because we and omu reigning na Michael Jackson. Ochun mutai upo umpo and yet just current project. Say OBG artist of the year, that doesn't make him the best artist. A year within that particular year, no. But some person the value artist, the greatness, the value. Go and check his record. Go and check his awards. Go and check the kind of awards, not just any ordinary awards. The kind of awards are winning. If you share Grammys in other big platforms, or Mama Jay-Z awards, never compare. Justin Mo awards or Magic Jinaka say, do they reach that particular quantity? Jay-Z etimi yana. Intina say Mitie Magrahab automatically nature say Michael Jackson munyina no. They are below belt. But Koneko check record Magrahab now be who say Michael Jackson still remains the biggest artist or musician in the world because until say obi etimi prove beyond nia obeye no achieve beyond nia obey achieve no he remains the biggest. Inti oti ona now see Jay-Z obi abetra Jay-Z eya hoya na eni breakasa na wo de kekasa ansem no.
Like I was saying, Shatta Wale with one tweet beef keke no asema Kenya asem bia ke mfo bia kura ho no Ababe trending news now. That is why you have to love the genius of Shatta Wale. What I say? Wale in his own way, no better man bring attention to something. Either positively and not negatively. Either way, it gets the job done. Intiga no Shatta Wale is both the devil and the savior. Papa to the world. I've been feel one and then it.
The punch is where the Adan says Shatta Wale is strong. Shatta Wale can do whatever he wants to do. And this is where SAC fans are mad about Shatta Wale. When to be penasem because Shatta Wale can decide to do whatever he wants and receive whatever attention he's looking for. And there's no doubt about this. And this is what a lot of artists are lacking. Ebusinya for Obabe Kasafa this track na Shatta Wale ayem. Nti wo de tie kwan a Obabe fa so akasafa this track no. Na eno na be mo hu sa kwa no, etua ne ka so mbetena se. Na ombu entia Shatta Wale no keka na adwe no sori nko.
Shatta Wale we sa Twitter beef no wa mana so ho wa maboni ampem ba bi aboni aduru e na watwa to watwa beef no honyon for sa akode title ne a little tip just say asem we na nya asem a yes asem ba Wale dey for so afa so dey trend yeah chire se mo man ye dey star akakwabro ko ye galaxy punchline just a Shatta Wale throw opening job so they say
the cash, the mansions, the cars. You not get some, my 3 Range Rovers. You not get some, my gold chain from my neck. You not get some.
Couple of things, don't get it twisted.
Iti ehano ohe hawa Magra have esi introduce this track na kra e dey the perfect say e ya hoye ani enibre eni otan e na ahye ne ma yen koso ni entie ni Magra have ebeye yen hwe ne konkonsa ne ma oba be yen hwe ne munafiki ne ma oba beye
sakode oska. The fact is all you to say scanon. Mfanto to cast nye no ma odi ye. Mma yehu. They say the Shatta Wale ye no. Nchirese oniska. And as a matter of fact, I no kura chira how wise as sakwade ye. Because utimu se ni sika no on spending lavishly or the invest or the year projects ebe bua the family and no ankasa in the future.
Now Magra have asha say react to this no. Wa sha say eye ejuma e wo se sakwade na eye. Washa say ye adwuma omomo tena se grant interview ni omomo ye interview no kobite ne posiji ni sa akode adwuma e wo so omo ye no Shatta Wale throw ni punches why ne this oh born wa kire mu says ya ono na tena mu a obi a o explain ya man krofo ehu nia e cost situation no says ya ono asha say ye adwuma e wo ejuma e wo se sa akode ye fine onipa wo sika no wan fa anya japade a nipa be de hu so wo sika says ya Magra have person kire se odwen ama sa akode sa akode wo sika na ode ye businesses me pa mo cho sack fans e na Magra have mo mbra bonti na mo be kire se businesses a sa akode eye ni ejapade a sa akode eye ni say na sa akode aye ewiase na obi a ne nsem ye din bia no e ya hwe na brabo wa sha ase ansa e kire ne sa akode di ni sika ye na on kire na ayembia uyo obabu na opese uye youth opese woto dwom opese uye celebrating na de bia ye ka ejuma na nye wo talent how do you develop it how do you make money out of it when adia Shatta Wale ye Shatta Wale nye sika o de be ye ne hu yiye am wo hu se wenye sika obeto chain obeto atade obeto car obesi dan obeche sika obecha niema obema ni nsem ayemre ama nkofo hu se nyame ehira no na ono so de ma nti uzu wo sika na o de ye investment mete se o ka na investment na ebi o ye businesses bi
because utimu se ni sika no on spending lavishly or the invest or the year projects ebe bua the family and no ankasa in the future
o ye business is better na sa akode ye mo nkire ye business a sa akode ye wo Ghana eye cocaine eye real estate eye den potty your artists be bra omo wo businesses a omo ye we are aware your celebrities be bra omo ejuma omo ya we are aware dumelo mu nyina ye farms ene ebi mo so handle boutique ebi mo ye other businesses importation ebi ye real estate Shatta Wale na ototo diamond gold ni ade oye ototo minerals edu bebi agalamse ni say no now he's into real estate aside that no osan ye other businesses yen fans ni enim a ewiase nyina anim nyame ehira Shatta Wale a na oma mmebu na nso ebi a wo so beto nyom daachi nti nyom no yire ho na tu ni yie na wo tu ni yie a ubetimi ato Bugatti ubetimi ato Ferrari ubetimi ato Range Rover ubetimi asifie ubetimi aye swimming pool we nyina ye nkransha Shatta Wale edi hye ye nkran nti se nyame che obi bibi na ode ade ni si a akoye se nyame ama talent na ode ahye baby how do you develop that talent how do you make God even appreciate what he has done for you. Inti nda what you say na oye business na oye business. Ohun moni ngwase. Magrahab eni ngwase. Kobiche eni ngwase. Kosiji eni ngwase. Sa akode ne camp ne nkwala nyina eni ngwase.
That is wise. And the Shatawale kasa sack ni onu ni gold chain ni bi no. Aze, enyina enim say yalomi. So what's up?
O say ni gold chain unibi owo fie ne cars unibi. Utwa this edema Shatawale say advice no. O si ontimi nto Benz foforo. Na Shatawale ti sika koto Benz. Na ochrogu ho advice. E kire wo say obetimi aye. Inti Magrahabe ka kire say akode say o si owo sika no ye businesses ni ade a ye throw punches amano. Ye si chain gold chain. O si oshalomi. Na wache ni say ohye gold inti ono nso nkoto gold ni bi na onhye no nja silver no ono nso nkoto cars ni bi na ye hu say we throw challenge amano ono nso enkosi adan akese na ye hu say we throw challenge amano enye bema ni bema o ka asem a odi ye adwuma we throw punch amano o say ontimi nto Benz foforo na wakoto Benz mo no wa throw nim advice e kire o say o this na ye mfaso obi eni so obetimi aye. Ono so say uni dan, uni cars, uni ejapade o your breath uni sika untimi to we. Inti sa akode kotobi, kototo sa na ma ni nyina na fa che Shatawale say. Shate, metimi atobi. Na mo me na me pese meto. Na ye hu say obetimi aye no wo sika. Until then no, ye nim say bra na ho kire no.
See boys they shine pay you say you they help them. Sure man.
Zasem no say akode hu so bi baso anu abaso ba bebo an say na be your best relevant no. So atwe ho pa that makes no sense. So obi e baso a ohwehwe so be big, obenya big artist aba make the project on say na be the bigness no e be blow fast and to get someone like Sarkodie to collab with say na be your project be reach far number of people no. How do you translate that to say no you so wa wunya nyidin bia no to stay relevant? It doesn't make any sense.
Fine, ebusuan for SM for life. Eha eye intro bia Magrahab edidi a kire omanfo. Yenhwe Ghana ha ye nyina nim say Sarkodie obi a ono nko ntimi release one single track e ma na hit. O try bi musimi Illuminati endu baby a anko hwe ne tracks a o try so ono nko a ye nyina no anko hwe. Sarkodie track bia o de a hit bia no monko check records mo hu say amanfo no feature won. Otimi feature nipa be 4 5 6 and sana track na itimi a hit. Entinu Sarkodie is not doing favor to those young artists. He's rather using them to trend. Because without those arts, Sarkodie cannot survive. Sarkodie cannot stay relevant, which is a fact. Shatawale, Eyobia, why single tracks, baby, why Bojo, why Ayo, why a lot of tracks are, why my level, big tracks are hitting. I hear on solo, just a single person, Shatawale. Sarkodie, mon checking the record. The tracks bang and a Sarkodie. Etimia Yamobo Sarkodie tracks be 5 Ononkwa ya hiti. Nia a hiti kakra ba kakra advice track na or and people supported it because they didn't like Shatawale. They don't like Shatawale. And because of the hate, they had no option because Enyom was specifically to this Shatawale. Until they had no option than to promote the track. Apart from that track, mon checking the tracks ononkwa no waye. Na monhwe nti ende okofa King Promise King Promise different art no de na be kan no de na hate nti King Promise be hate alright but Sarkodie de need stay relevant. Kwame Eugene or de ne be ye no de na stay relevant. Oba kofa Kwesi Arthur no ne na ye no stay relevant. Oba kofa Akwaboa no ne na ye no de na stay relevant. He is using them for his own selfish gain but not for them to say ka omonko a nka omo be ka ho. But the fact is Sarkodie can only make hits after featuring 2, 3, 4 people on a single track. This is record that Obienim se Shatawale on time yes man. Onokwa ya who the track need to me kwa but not in the case of Sarkodie. Check it. Sameboa check it. Inti ndao tiana okase using Shatawale at this Sarkodie actually say omo or feature omo it is purposely for his selfish gains. It's true because he needs those voices to change. He cannot do proper singing and rap at the same time. He's a pure rapper. Enti de bia ohia omo voice omo kra unique voices omo betimi aba na nyom so se na be ya obetimi aye rap na manafa. This is what Sarkodie is known for. Inti man force na koye say Sarkodie is doing good to those young artists or Sarkodie is helping those artists. Sarkodie is selfish. Share strong man under Sarkodie na strong man without Sarkodie. Charlie sometimes Ghana for moment kan okre. E na Magrahab wo de tia na wutwa ntro. Nanso no kwa na Shatawale e kan this ni.
In reality, no, it's the other way around. And I can Sarkodie nye perfect. Maybe a little portion of that may be true, but nye entirely what you say. And no, yes, Sarkodie, never was Shatawale. Kwaku smoke one in your mouth, crack a uwia. Okoka, I was yambono.
And see, one baby, a magra have the fever. One, there could be an iota of truth. The thing is a true. Magra Habe, the thing is true. Sarkodie need those young arts to survive. He needs them to stay relevant. Mumma Sarkodie nyanyom for 1 year, near the career. We throw the challenge to Sarkodie fans. We throw the challenge to Ghana and say, Mumma Sarkodie nyanyom for 1 year. Yanshe Shatawale nyanyom for 1 year. Near who stays relevant? Who stays relevant? This is the hard truth people cannot say. When no crabia among for intiminkan.
I go make a fan stop the heart and do the papa.
Okay, as if you are see that. Papa, a mistake. It was an unintended trendable term. But that was from the get-go. Or starting at the buyer. What you say?
You see Magrahab's life. Magrahab ever success camper. People will not understand. The way I all defending Sarkodie, the way I all throw shades, all responding to Shatawale, no, will clearly tell you say he's really defending Sarkodie. This is what we are saying is not fair. Into Uko Jisikana Obetana Hose Obabe responded to Obi this Aodia Ma Obia. Then state clearly na who say Yakoto Wabase Bekun Obi Ntokwa because Sarkodie they say Shatawale advice or they say in recent 2 tracks or SM blogger Bian Betana ho and defend it. Yankan ho asem yaye din yeve. Inti me hu ne antia e wo say Magrahab who claim say o ye neutral work. O boa or viewers, o boa or listeners. Na oma tibif na e koso na se no. Should come and sit down there and then talk about this. Into this one shows clearly say you are really for Sarkodie. These people are all part of the gatekeepers. Ghana music and these people are part of it. And Magrahab today is part of it.
You know what, they put my life on the line. What you do for your niggas? Shut up, my guy. You go back to feature Kanye West. Nigga, we know you broke, so stop the fake life. My Beyonce feature really go you.
Not true. Sarkodie a rap artist. Who a high life dancehall artist. What you say? And I wouldn't Beyonce nyono. Sarkodie support too. Into kase or jealous and I say shinwa. It doesn't make any sense to me.
Ebusuya for her reaction na Magrahab na enya no kre because Sarkodie jealoso adena Shatawale collaboration Beyonce collaboration. Nyenti ameka se o jealoso enie. Ebra artist ni nya congratulating Shatawale no. Sarkodie de oyeye ne se odikan kasafa Beyonce ho ansa na ode Shatawale be bata ho. Nti wo hwe ade eda ho na wo hwe ne eda ho anu a wo de hwe don't know na hwe manifest na hwe other artists no na hwe Stonebwoy mu nyina they really congratulated Shatawale hwe ne Sarkodie chro ho hwe ne ahoya anti eni bre isamu nti hwe ne Sarkodie chro welcome home my queen and ma Shatawale a true punch enti na me pasa me chane say e true say Sarkodie joloso Shatawale from the kind of Twitter or no and afen so for Kobiche oye Sarkodie blogger asama Sarkodie pese or publish bia na e fa na so any music producer Posiji ebetena ho ye interview e ka say artist Sarkodie call outside or ko feature no is bigger than Jay-Z who is related to Beyonce. It's a clear indication say they are really bleeding and they jealous Shatawale, which there is no doubt about it. Into Magrahab etwa so atwetwe niema keka nsem etia Shatawale reply Shatawale in the name of Sarkodie defend Sarkodie na yenhwe nsem a okeka ebi so so.
You know how much you one plot a plan jump. Money no be problem, you the begging am one say make you sign you forget yourself man.
Where your punchline ehia kura so de beka lines of this song. What you say? Next Sarkodie is still relevant. Na one no wan yifa. When na one yi ni support kakra ni free wo Shatawale wase no. Every real person beka no kure na. Shatawale wa ba fam kakra. Say next Sarkodie is on heavy demand or relevant. Na one ontim kura mpia gongo gina bontene. What you say? So that line na what this nim no kwa de. We yan go fam.
Aya no kure ontimi mbonyom emfen tu hu say money no be problem. But you go and beg. If money is not your problem, why do you beg? nti no oya wo ho te se nea wo sika money no be problem na o stress sika nti se wasre nam wan ho sika na se sebio ode ma wo wan fa ma wo on sign wo wan sign wo na se bibia ba na se inde nam wan wako forma that doesn't mean say that's the end of nam one's life obitimi esre obi ade ma o mana na o ma no na nipa na hwe ase na wo so wabasoro but nyameti asi nyametimi san epeja nipa ni biom ema oba soro ema wo a na woni bia oba ya ono so ba afom no asen asesa nti ne ka say the tables can turn nti say osre nam one ade na one farm na that doesn't mean say it's not true and as nam one no ne nyama nkoyie ma na that doesn't mean say that's the end of his world. Surely there is a highly possibility say nam one can still rise again and still go higher than Sarkodie na wotiwa wo defending no. Into hypocrisy and the kunkrofo to say Magrahab. And in the Magrahab na extra lines and Kashatawale fan de say Sarkodie. Any lines are and was all de say Sarkodie. What a world. Ewiase so hu bonsama won no we suru no nyame boa na hu bonsama na we suru no.
Me who is a Shatawale person can be na ekosa Sarkodie na shiro to the level be say Sarkodie be ba out no so ba respond. That is when you so pan dey trend here. And I know once Sarkodie will never respond to this, and from the look of things it looks like Sarkodie advice track no. A Shatawale PTSD a stress.
Into the way Magrahab ekasa fa Sarkodie advice track no in relation to Shatawale response or the man na oka say Shatawale is trying to do all his possible best just to receive attention, this and raise punches towards Sarkodie and what because of the this. These are some of the reactions at so exposing and he will continue defending Sarkodie and even going to the point say Sarkodie will not respond. He doesn't think Sarkodie Charlie idea omatena dem aye homework. Akọ drawing board, akọ kire say Posiji any kobi chambra out mbeye say no mu ye wi Magrahab ebeba out aba be say intino eye format no mu play. Enye say abana obetena say akebi. But from what he's saying eye planting the wi ase won Shatawale nyame ebepa omu nyina so ntama.
Mama, this a go people.
Where dey wahala mumane dey e wo ho na Shata ozo dey no
say Shatawale de say Sarkodie Magrahab ebeba no aba be responde ama Sarkodie we nyina ka on ebema we hu hypocrisy of this so-called bloggers and vloggers. So what you say omo to YouTube, Facebook, fake life on say they are for the people. Meanwhile, they have their own favorite people.
You know the sea say as we come my name we go bye. I be Ghana no say you the smoke weed and I go talk come for BBC. You don't claim you the call yourself TM boy, but you just sell out how to be.
I was expecting say Kobiche ebe bohano or be reacted to this video. I was expecting say Magrahab ebe reacted to this aspect. Nanso Ojana silence. I was expecting say obe chirimu say Sarkodie SLA out to be out and answer one sell out. And I was expecting some about Abeka say Sarkodie and Shiwi Nanka Obana.
For just chicken drink, you advise me I buy best what you buy you.
I was here man can't trust advice track ama Shatawale PTSD. And no way ya una no person the force to by heart force to be. Or they can be busy a better man for Bekan and once in being. Because music wise, that's a Shatawale level above from Kakra, in my opinion.
Your opinion, which in your opinion is full of hatred, is full of fakeness, is full of corruption. Because what could this kind of better or reactive? So what you are saying? Shatawale stated say what they say no advice mu say don't mean to bends wakoto. Into also what they say also koto ni enhe. But in Guasienti, Magrahab wo subai.
But Oye Shatawale obet madro put 3 tracks chiranopa. Nini na beko viral chiranopa. Otiaze. He is that good.
I go take you from grace to grass, that be so. Your colleagues stay there, you the battle dance salatis. Go back to our zone, to our zone, to our zone.
Have you? That's what I taste baby. And the Sarkodie beef no. And na Shatawale no asem no I can. Just say wale drop take bars ya gas Otiaze.
And the Magrahab ni nebusunya for refi say Shatawale refer advice na oye because we beefu or the rap abe beefu dancehall artist. Inti ni oka I don't know say ohun say ebi a Shatawale onya dancehall artist but ohun nhwenim bi say enti na Ghana music ebre no nhwenim say na ama Ghana music ebre no what they say no wakoto also no so ade so also koto to cars no koto to mansions no me ehun say o ye relevant Magrahab therefore ya na eka se Shatta Wale any Sarkodie near all stay relevant Sarkodie not Shatta Wale ono anso asanso a contradict na ho say Shatta Wale ebetimi drop 3 tracks one day ni nyina be ko viral ewiase no se oye corrupt ni e to unyansa to wadwen a na onim de ewo fo ebi na ato Magrahab no.
You know get some cash, the manches the car. You know get some my 3 Range Rovers. You know get some my gold chain from my neck. You know get some my Rolex diamond ring. You know get some my mansion for 69. You know get some.
As I say, the Shatta Wale na kase bobon wo ma no wan kasa wo. Na se time so se mu ne mu no ma o wa. One mistake.
Yes, obebu boniema ono ankasa wo. Shatta Wale ebebu boniema ono ankasa wo. Obebu boniema ono ankasa. Na ombobo keke o kire niema no. O de ba betu social media na ye hu. We na hye ye nkuran no. Nti se me wo ba na se me ba so obeto nwom a. E kire me nkuran hye sonko se saa me ba na opese obeto nwom. Saa me ba na opese oto nwom da ache no. Oye musician no. So obo ne bra ye na ototo ne niema yi a. Obetimi aye se japade we nyina bia na aye ne asinsei se me ka so hwe Sarkodie enfa mbo ne bra e den na ode kire edin so ye ndi ni sa keke wo din na ho kirew wo din uni sika wo din uni hwe aso be na wo so nti wo din a ma bibi mbata ho na enye nkranhye enfa nkire nkrofo nti Shatta Wale anytime obebobo ne japade bia na amafo bledi no mo ani asoko obekoso abobosa kopem se ebe hye omakoma na omakoma hye eja tum na hye.
Another mansion for Lakeside. You know get some my ship mansion Trasaco. You know get some the talent. See my fans. You know get some gangsters. Yeah, I get shot. You know get some money we I get for this market. You know get some my swimming pool. You know get some.
Nadia, yeah, the swimming pool in I am bragging.
The swimming pool be bragging. Shatta movement, Shatta Wale ni Shatta movement. Yeah, the swimming pool ebe bragging. Swimming pool ade keka nkobi abeye bi. The kind of pool that Shatta Wale ho no is not an ordinary pool. Pool ane boarding. Pool so ye di giye ni. Nti enije de enije hu hia. Don let on a can asem say ewiase wo ho a si enije sika. Uni enije sika. O life be mobo. Tinyami hira ona se wunye sika no we si enije sika wo de be giweni. Nti Shatta Wale edi ni swimming pool ebe brage. So when na mube bleed na mube bleed for life.
Shatta Wale na o na ze say there what through comedian level. Adi Shatta Wale ono akasaka so a comedian or a musician or a news reporter or a BBB full package.
Nienti a Shatta Wale be koso aye relevant na obekoso aye important na obekoso enya shows akesia abono. Ene say or a full package ampa because you are a musician and you are an entertainer. That is not what the street is into. Can't say office street. Now I have a microphone. Now I have a microphone. Now Debbie, let us experience you. Eba comedia, yeah. Eba sa, eba huri. This is what Shatta Wale will always use to make the difference. Aside the talent and yami eshirano, wamana multiple talent. Otimi shishene nyom, otimi eye nyama bebre. Ni stagecraft eye different. We always go to his shows just to see the new thing he's coming on board with. Intino mema ato Sarkodie kam Magrahab bebusuya enne wonwa waka omose mu de Sarkodie ena mu di n'echi a oye angel ne say yet asese Shatta Wale a comedian and anything that will make him entertain and make his money yebeye pass or the baga kosre sika die ene nko de be entertaining no full package or the be comedian no wa jeni sika atu ni bottom no akotena ni pool no akotena ni fie ajineni so ati ase for life.
Well, Abusia, na Shatta Wale, ne this song no. I don't think Sarkodie will ever respond to this, but that is the same thing now. You're thinking about manifesting there. So, obi the number one, Ebia no respond, but I doubt it. But so respond what? Yeah, the whole reaction be bro. So one respond to what? And one can say a response. I stress it. Shatta Wale or Sarkodie is too busy to the extent to say Shatta Wale is not worth his time.
Shatta Wale is not worth his time. Ewiase won. Wo nyatwomfo ne nyatwomfo ti omanmu a obre. Wo wiase na ote na one nyatwomfo ti say Magrahab. Nyatwomfo ti say Sarkodie mu na ti a obre. O dropping the diss track to Shatta Wale no. when no. Nobody said say silence means say he has no time for him. Omuhuru Shatawale said Onya Bema ain't na wait me and reply. And then one also dropping it there at the amano. Now Mujina was say Sarkodie, you don't think he will come out. It sounds some about for them. You have come out to promote Sarkodie. We don't have problem. But your child say advice track no, ya koto Benz no, ya also advice, ya register no advice. Into Monkoto Range Rovers no, Monkoto all the cars na Shatawale abobo no. Mansions na abobo ni nyina including the swimming pool na o say ya mfa nya this money nya yie no. Onye bi ni ehu se Sarkodie wo sika. Until then no, e che se Sarkodie your brefo. Oni sika or you broke. On person obeka no kre. Omo bi na oye nyumtuni oye musician na o ba. O hwe omo a obe fail in life. Oye artist na o ba. Hwenkofo bi se Shatawale. Nyema o mayeye na di ekire na nyame be hira o. Me da se wa hwe video no. Share video no na obi enya bi nhwe. Na kai say me din the say rich. Hypocrisy will continue to expose people like Magrahab, Sarkodie and his fans and his team. SM for life.
SM TV for life.